Hello everyone. In today's locomotive profile we're doing is of a 464 Challenger. And no, not the Union Pacific, but these locomotives share the same basis on the Clinchfield Railroad Class E1 and the Delaware and Hudson Railroad Class J97. And no, not those two. And that is Western Pacific Class M100 was a class of 7 464 Challenger type steam locomotive that were built by American Locomotive Company, Schenectady Works, for the Western Pacific Railroad in January 1938. In the late 1930s, the Western Pacific Railroad needed more powerful steam locomotives to pull monstrous freight trains throughout their system, especially at higher speeds. The WP Railroad requested Alco's Schenectady Works ordering an articulated locomotive with a new 4664 wheel arrangement, so Alco Schenectady then received the order and drew up the blueprints for the all-new 4664. And especially at higher speeds, so they requested that. That was based on the Union Pacific's Fetter Challengers. This resulted in a creation of what had become the Western Pacific Class M100s. A total of 7 examples of these new 4664 Challenger type locomotives were ever constructed by Alco's Schenectady, New York in 1938, and they were all delivered on the Western Pacific at the same year, 1938. And unfortunately, withdrawal of the class had commenced, and not a single example of the M Class 100 had survived into preservation era. They were all scrapped by 1952 when the Western Pacific had begun to dieselize their lines. Which is a shame though. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.